And we're going to pop in to see how Kelly at Riwaka is getting on with this lovely Defender. Kelly, it's after 5 o'clock on a Saturday and you're still here. What's going on? Is that dedication to the craft or what, like? Or are you just a sucker for punishment?
Sucker for punishment.
Wow. Jesus, man. The colour really hits you, doesn't it, when you open the door?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. It's come out really nice.
Wow. We have the headliner and all in as well.
Yeah.
Three piece headliner. Bit of work on that, yeah? Let's have a look around the back. I don't know. I don't think anyone's ever seen rear Defender 110 bench seats quite like that. They're just luxurious, aren't they? Beautiful. And the tan really suits it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Even with the sun shining on it there now in the background, it's beautiful. Like.
Yeah.
This is going to be all, we have the boxes carpeted here in black. So this is all going to be carpeted in black as well, all the way through, yeah?
It's going to be carpeted, yeah. We'll put a binding around it as well.
As soon as you open the door. It's a beautiful tan though, isn't it?
It is nice.
Yeah.
It's retro. So.
Yeah, it's kind of like a sun-kissed tan or something,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a sort of a grain or something through it as well, isn't there? See if you can see it from here better. It goes so well with the black headliner. And then once you have the black carpets, you have to put the front seats in. Can you see the front seats?
Yeah.
Let's go. We'll go through to the
Put the carpet underneath.
to the magic workshop.
Door front. Getting ready to go on.
Oh wow. So you recovered these door cards. Oh, they're the ones the dog had attacked.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the one the dog attacked, yeah.
Show me the one the dog attacked. Jesus, that. Do you know what the radio playing in the background now? TikTok or something is going to fucking copyright the shit out of this. Oh, the seats. Wow. They're amazing, aren't they?
Well, we installed heaters into them as well.
Oh, did you? Yeah?
The old heaters were damaged on one seat, so we replaced them with carbon.
Carbon, same ones I have in the P38. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, we used the carbon ones on the way up to we used them all the way to the Arctic Circle, and my girlfriend is always cold and they kept her warm, so. Very good, so you're making good progress. This is another interior you have, yeah? What's this?
That's an opal.
It's an Opel? Not interested. Straight away, I'm not interested.